Viewers, I am unable to understand why my finch sparrows are dying one by one, day by day. Within 15 days, at least 11 to 12 sparrows died, including 4 young chicks. What is the reason? I can't understand. The net covering 10 by 12 square feet width has no open space, which could lead mouse or any such like creature to enter. However, a patch of net was prior to birds keeping was torn, but then I fixed it by pasting a 2 by 3 square feet patch of net thereupon. I can't brush aside the immense of mouse or mouse-like creature to enter at midnight by some way from here, but at morning there appears no sign of such entry. The most obnoxious thing is no blood drop color on the floor of the small aviary floor or at the roof plate of the mud nest. Then what is the cause? I am in dilemma. I shared this issue with my friend, who is much more experienced than me in birds keeping. He says there could be some creature from outside of aviary to kill small birds and squeeze blood and eat flesh, leaving a dry remnant of the unfortunate bird. He also advised me to keep the bulb on at night. I did it on the night before the last night. And there was no casualty. Last night, I forgot to keep bulb on and saw the dry corpse of the poor tiny bird. He is also of the view, and I agree with him that why sparrows die at night only, why not at day? It shows that sparrows are healthy, and there is no infection. Solution lies with total new net at back face of aviary to make any dangerous mouse or like creature to enter and eat the prey.